Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor stuck at 120 Hz. So here's a guide to disable your FPS limit, console settings, and HDMI mode. First one, check your monitor's maximum refresh rate. Find your MSI monitor's model, confirm its maximum supported refresh rate in the user manual or MSI specifications. Page 2, use the right cable. DisplayPort is usually the best choice for high refresh rate. If using HDMI, make sure both the cable and your computer supports the required HDMI version. Fix 3. Change the refresh rate in Windows. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Click Advanced Display. Select your MSI monitor. Choose a refresh rate drop-down menu. Select the highest available refresh rate. Click Keep Changes. Fix 4. Set the correct resolution. Go to Settings and then select Display. Set the monitor to its recommended native resolution. Fix 5. Update your graphics driver. For NVIDIA graphics card, AMD graphics card, Intel integrated graphics. Fix 6. Check the MSI monitor menu. Press the monitor's joystick or menu button. Open the gaming or settings menu. Ensure any refresh rate or overclock option is enabled if your model supports it. Fix 7. Try another port or cable. Switch to a different display port or HDMI port. Test with another certified high-speed cable. Fix 8. Restart the monitor and PC. Turn off both devices. Unplug the monitor for 30 seconds. Turn everything back on. Fix 9. Update the monitor firmware. If MSI provides a firmware update for your monitor, installing it may resolve refresh rate issues. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.